Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Novilla metal full-size bed frame, a stylish and modern addition to any bedroom. This chic bed frame features a sleek combination of simple lines and a metal frosted finish, making it a perfect match for any bedding style. Built for durability, it boasts 13 heavy-duty metal slats and 9 high-quality metal support feet, ensuring your mattress is secure without the need for a box spring, and it can support up to 1,200 pounds. The exclusive headboard and footboard design not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides extra protection for your body and helps keep your bedspread and blanket in place. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with EVA padded strips that eliminate unwanted squeaking, while the 12 inches of storage space underneath make it a practical, space-saving solution. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary tools and instructions included, allowing you to set it up in under an hour, and the non-slip footbeds protect your floors while reducing noise. With dimensions of 77.5 inches long by 54.4 inches wide and 39 inches high, the Novilla metal full-size bed frame is the perfect blend of style, support, and convenience for any living space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.